Hello everyone, welcome to Arrosoft CloudAny demo. Today we will show you agent-based migration from source to any cloud. This is a summary of the installation. First, install the task server in the target cloud. Install the management. Change to D drive. Click install. Finish. Now install the Linux converter. Linux converter install. Now I will edit for the Arrosoft setting. Okay, now we will log into our cloud. So this is our task server. We need to create an elastic IP, then set up the security group. So let's go to security group. Allow to into the group. This 43 allow to from my source server. So also allow from my laptop. This is a management port you need to allow. Source server 2, 22 port. And 3389. That's it. Once you're done for the NSG, now you can use the elastic IP to log in from the laptop. Password will be admin. Go to system setting. Edit the time zone to match with the source. So my time zone in source is Taipei. Then you can choose your language. This is your internal IP and your elastic IP, and we are using 443. Click submit. Now we need to apply license. I have two licenses. One is use up, another one is show 0. Means I have one more job can create. Now we go to cloud. At the cloud. So for this time it's Zadara. Put the data center. The account. The name. Password. You need to pre-create access key from the Zadara. So I have created. Verify the connection. Choose the project. Save. Now we need to add itself task server, target task server. Choose cloud. So my task server is demo task server 3. Then I have my WAN IP is my elastic IP. Verify. Submit. Now the server added. So it's demo task server 3. Now we need to install the task sync agent in the source side. Next, just install in C. Click finish. Now we need to connect the source server to our management portal. Go to the installer folder, then use the connection tool, put in the IP of the management server. Now need to put the security code. So go to system setting, security code, copy the code, click connect. So now the tasking agent added to the management portal. Now go back to management portal, go to client, you can see the demo client 1 is there. The OS is 2019 data center. This is my source server. OS version is a VMware disk. Now we create the replication. Click add, select the server, next, choose standard. Choose the first one is source to target cloud. Second is source to target cloud and to another target cloud. The third one will be parallel, source to two different cloud in one time. Now next, this is a source and server, target cloud. Click next. This is my source disk, VMware disk 100 GB. Make sure your cloud storage alias is GP2. Next. So the first column is showing license. It's a test license. You may set the interval and how many snapshot version you need. Read and write thread to reduce source CPU's resource. Buffer is to reduce the tasking server send too much data to task server. For this case, we will use no limit since we have only target task server. Client compression, enable it so that it will send less data from the source to target cloud. Click next. This is a summary. Now, the first thing it will do, we will create this into the task server. So let's go to Zadara and you can see from here, this is my task server. Go to volume, it created a disk, demo client 1 replication disk. Go back to management portal. You can see replication start read the job. Requesting the source server to read the data, to send the data to our target task server. Now we go to journal to check. Writing job started. So now it's reading the 1.5%. So the target snapshot created, it will show green, which means the job replication is done. After the replication, we can do recovery to boot up the VM in the cloud side. Click add, choose the server. So we have few options. Recovery by snapshot will stop the replication job. Recovery by disk will delete replication job and use the replication disk convert to instant. So our best feature is developer test. It won't stop your replication job. It will still run the replication to the replication disk, and we will do a snapshot from the replication disk to create a clone disk and use the disk to boot up the new VM. Next, choose the snapshot version. Now you can select the instance flavor, how many core, how many RAM, the naming of the instance, VPC, subnet. So you can create an elastic IP or choose to remain the elastic IP. Use public IP is an internal IP, so the wording is having problem, and choose the security group. Now we next and run. So you can see the disk created from the snapshot. So now you will attach a snapshot disk to the tar server. So it will do the system conversion, means that it convert the disk to become bootable in the cloud side. Once the conversion process done, it will detach the snapshot disk and boot the disk become as a instant. Now CloudAny is creating instance using the API to talk to the cloud. So this is not public IP, it actually using internal IP to assign to this recover instance. Now let's go to Zadara. See the instance is boot up, but it's still not yet finished. We need to wait until it shows operation system boot up. So now it shows operating system successfully booted. So we can go to the journal. Operating system successfully booted. It shows green color. Now we can check the system. Now you can see the instance is there. Go to network, you can see already assigned a IP. Now let's go back to journal message to see how the process works. To Zadara, click connect to connect to the server. So you can see the server is boot up. Now I will log in using my source username and password. So the server show demo client 1, same as a source server. So after the verification, we can delete the instance. Click delete. You have two choices. One is to delete the instance and complete the dev test. Second is to delete the recovery job but keep the instance. So for this time, we'll delete the instance after this dev test. So we automatically delete the server from the Zadara. So now it's deleting. Now the recovery job done. Thank you for watching.